Welcome back, everyone. Kayla, the clock just struck midnight, meaning the month of April is now here. And I know you said it was an understatement to talk about April showers, but me being new to the area, when was the last time North Central West Virginia had some rain quite like this?
Honestly, it has been a while. Some of the models that we've been seeing estimating how much rain we could see is more than I have ever seen in my time as a meteorologist. So this is a pretty significant system that we have coming our way for the next couple of days. So a first alert weather event now in effect for the strong to severe storms we expect to be. Our main threat is the very heavy rainfall that's going to come with these systems. But we also are going to have strong storms, especially on Tuesday. So the potential for some damaging winds and also some hail that could get rather large in size. This is going to be a very strong system. We already had some storms moving through on Saturday. This is a radar loop from 2 p.m. Saturday to midnight. You can see that a lot of us already saw hail coming in as well as some wind damage. You see that came in the afternoon in Harrison County, and then the stronger storms came in the evening. This was a marginal risk for severe weather, and in a moment I'll show you the severe weather threats we have for tomorrow and for Tuesday. Now right now we are seeing a line of showers kind of moving north through our area right now. Some of that is very heavy rain, a few rumbles of thunder with that as well. Storms not too severe for us just yet, but we've got a complex of systems stretching all the way out to the Rockies still that are going to be wreaking havoc on their way through the United States over the next few days. And even as it shifts further to our east, we're going to get caught in the back end of it. So this is going to dominate our weather all the way through Friday of this week. Severe weather threat. This says for Tuesday, but it is for Monday. It just changed the day because we have moved past midnight now. But this is for Monday at 8 a.m. through Tuesday at 8 a.m. We are under that marginal risk, which is that same risk we were under for Saturday. So we have the isolated potential for some damaging winds, those heavy rains, of course, and also some small hail. We saw some pea-sized hail on Saturday with that marginal risk, and it's likely going to be more isolated instances. However, for Tuesday, this is Tuesday at 8 a.m. to Wednesday at 8 a.m. Ignore it saying Wednesday up there. This is majority for Tuesday. All of us are under a slight risk, which is a step up from that marginal risk, and even some of our counties further towards the west under the even higher enhanced risk. Places in that enhanced risk have a chance for a tornado to form. Here in North Central West Virginia, that chance is going to be a bit lower. It'll be a little bit stronger further towards the south and west of us. But all of us have a more widespread potential to see those damaging winds, to see hail that could even get a little bit larger than pea size, potentially even larger than quarter sized. So all of these become more of a potential on Tuesday because of how strong these storms are going to be. A flood watch is already in effect through 10 p.m. for Tuesday evening. Our main threat is going to be flash flooding because this rain isn't going to stay very consistent. It's going to be within multiple scattered showers, multiple rounds of rain that we see over the next few days. And we also have the potential, since there's going to be so much rain, to see some overflow of rivers and streams. So tonight we continue to see that line of showers moving further towards the north. Heading through tomorrow morning, it's going to be a lot of the heavy rain. The storms aren't really going to get severe. Tomorrow afternoon, we get a little bit of a break, it seems, but then by the evening hours, we are back to those stronger thunderstorms. This is where we have the capability to see those strong winds and that hail. This is going to continue through the overnight hours and into Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning through the afternoon is really why we're in that slight risk for severe weather that's going to be strongest during that time as the system is crossing over us. Heading towards Tuesday evening and Tuesday night, those storms will start to get a little bit more less severe, I should say. Heading towards Wednesday morning, most of the heavier precipitation is going to be done, but we're not going to be done with that system just yet. Still some scattered showers and even the chance for some snow in the higher elevations. That could last all the way through Friday. So this is going to be a rather large system that continues to affect us. We're likely to see a winter weather advisory going out in higher elevations as we get closer to that hazard. Expected rainfall through the next couple of days could be as high as 2 to 3, maybe even 4 inches in certain areas that get hit repeatedly with those heavier rain showers. To compare, April on average average, we see about 3.5 to 4 inches of rain. So we're going to see a lot of that over the course of just 2 days. Temperatures will be warmer for the first 2 days of this week, then cooler through the rest of the week. And then by next weekend, we finally clear out of that precipitation.